Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasa pi da ke rupa, ringkat bat ke orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Haka arpa pratrek mentau nailar aharjar kat kendai. Sdang ya ke Jingïakob lekai table tennis. Haka ni kenong ba Shillong, kebalong ru ke lempong ke bahe haka ni ketahan catai lamingi. Hi berok away, ya ke balatip kum ke First Northeast Masters Table Tennis Tournament 2019. Kebalong ke Jingïakon haka ba kinong lekai kidai ki balapalat ya ke sapos nem karta Sdang. Ya ke balapanyaj da ke Meghalaya Table Tennis Association. Bat ya ke ni ke Jingïakob la pelong. Ha Utirat Singh Memorial Indoor Stadium kebaran hapo lawa la Chumia Shillong. Haka ni ke Jingïakob kaban kot adu ka laipoi terek mentahiu nailar. Lawan ni simenta da kumbashi spa san pangot kinong ilakai kentai bat cendrang. Nakeleng ki jela jong kani ketahan catai lamingi lait no tang na ke jela Tripura kaba omsyam lawan ni simenta. Ya kani ke Jingïakob lekai table tennis haka ni kesngi la player perda da managing director jong ka hotel Polo Tower uke Tebriwal ubaralong Kongsan. Ringkat ke jinan lang menteri sarkar barem ke jela uba menta ulong ru presiden jong ke Meghalaya Table Tennis Association uba Arjiling do bat general secretary jong kani ke Senghi Chiranjeev Chaudhary bat ya kani ke Jingïakob la phia hakilai benta kata ke Jingïakon pedang ki basa pos nam Sdang kentup ya ki kentai bat cendrang kat bana ke benta ki tu ki balapalat ya ke sanpo bat henru pos nam Sdang pat ke Jingïakon kalong tang pedang ki para cendrang.
It's a really fantastic organization and we like it much, very nicely organized, especially organizers from Meghalaya Table Tennis Association. We appreciate the organizing team. We are 18 altogether and among 18, 3 women's players are there and 15 men's and 3 women's, 2 international players and gold medalist in last 2018 in Sri Lanka. So they also with us from our state of Sikkim. Almost all the northeastern states of 7 states they took part along with Sikkim. So we find very nice friends, senior players of table tennis lovers, especially table tennis lovers. Almost all, among all states, Manipur is the best one, I think, and second is Meghalaya. And now we are trying to cope up with them level of game.
Very nice. Organization is very nice, so beautiful. No? I like. Vast difference. In international tournament, there are from all the nations people. But here in national, we are playing only from India, from different states of the India. So that's vast difference. Next international events is going to happen in France, but I'm not going.
This game is very, very nice game, and everyone should play because this game keep our health fit, healthy. That is why everyone should play. I am 65 plus, and still I am looking fit. No? That is why this message to all those girls, veterans player, everyone should play and fit, healthy, everyone.
Organizing committee has done well, and this is the first time that the Northeast Veteran Championship has been organized by the Shillong Veteran Committee, and in future we may also organize such tournament at Arunachal Pradesh. So the committee has facilitated each and everything, and infrastructure is also as per the TTFI rules and regulations. That's all. We have played 2 matches, one with Meghalaya, Nagaland. So our performance has not been so much upgraded, means not so much good in comparison to them. But even though we are trying our best to play well in next time.
My name is Viko. I'm the Vice President of Nagaland Table Tennis Association, Nagaland. We have 11 members that are participating in this tournament. The infrastructure out here, I find it very promising. It's very good. Accommodation out here, we are satisfied because we are staying in Nagaland House. And so out here, other things, what arrangement they have done a wonderful job. So we are grateful to them.
First time they are organizing a very nice tournament for the Masters players. In the 3 groups they are organizing this event. We are very pleased and proud to be a member of this event. And the infrastructure here is, I can say it's average. And what shall we tell, there are Northeast teams, all the states from Northeast they are participating in this tournament except Tripura. They haven't sent any teams here. And we are really proud to be a member of the event. And we hope we win in this team and the individual events also. We are a strong team and we are seated in the top.
I am Chandra Sharma. I am the Secretary of the Manipur Veteran Table Tennis Association, as well as I am the player here as a player come coach. Very nice atmosphere here, and moreover that we are very happy to organize the first Northeast Master Table Tennis Championship 2018 at Shillong. All the veterans from 40 plus, 50 plus and 60 plus in men's and women's open. We are 28, including 4 women. I came here so many times here. There is one junior championship was held here in this same stadium. The same plank flooring is there. The condition of the stadium is same it is. It is not improving. I think that it is need to improve more. And Meghalaya government also planning to organize national game in 2022. So I think that there will be big stadium, indoor stadium, main stadium will be coming up, and there will be much facility